Most books fail not because writing is bad, but simply because nobody sees them. If you want your book to succeed, you need strategies to put it in front of thousands of readers per day, and ideally without ever spending a dime on ads. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful ways to get your book discovered, broken down step by step. And I'll even demo a few strategies directly inside of the KDP dashboard to show you guys how it's done. That sound good? Let's dive right into it. Amazon is a search engine, just like Google. Readers find books by typing keywords into the search bar. So the first strategy is optimizing your title, subtitle, and description with keywords. When you do this right, your book shows up in search results where readers are already looking to buy. Your book's category is just as important as its keywords. Pick a weak category and your book disappears. Pick a smart category and suddenly your book is ranking as a bestseller. This single choice can put your book in front of thousands more readers. Strategy number 3, using the look inside preview feature. On Amazon, buyers can click look inside to preview your book. If the first few pages are boring, they bounce. So your preview needs to hook readers immediately. A great preview turns browsers into buyers. Strategy number 4, free promotion channels. Outside of Amazon, free promotion is key. Facebook groups, Reddit communities, and niche forums are full of readers hungry for new books. The secret is not to spam your link, but to contribute value and naturally introduce your book where it fits the conversation. If you're getting a ton of value, don't forget to subscribe. All right, now strategy 5, email capture directly inside your book. One of the most overlooked strategies is putting an email opt-in directly inside of your book. Offer readers a free bonus like a checklist, a workbook, or a PDF guide in exchange for their email. That way, every book you sell grows your audience for the next launch. Now, strategy number 6, bundles and series. Readers love bundles. Instead of selling one $4.99 ebook, you can bundle 3 books into a $9.99 box set, or write a series where each book points to the next. That way, one reader quickly becomes 3 sales, and this compounds as your catalog grows. And finally, strategy number 7, leveraging AI for marketing. AI doesn't just help write books. It also creates the assets to market them. With ChatGPT, you can generate ad copy, blog posts, tweets, or even video scripts to promote your book. That means you spend less time marketing and more time publishing. So there you have it, 7 ways to get your book in front of thousands of readers. Amazon SEO, smart categories, optimized look inside preview, free promotion channels, email capture inside of your book, bundles and series, and finally, leveraging AI for marketing. And the truth is, none of these require you to spend money on ads. They're all free. They just take consistency and smart execution. And if you want my complete publishing system, from generating the manuscript with AI to formatting to marketing, I teach it step by step inside my course. The link is below if you're ready to scale your self-publishing business. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.